Hi there, welcome to Open Talk. Today in this lecture I will show you how you can add your blog, domain or any website on Google Search Console. We'll go through on DNS settings. So without further talking, let's get started. First type Google Search Console. Then go to Google Search Console page. On Google Search Console website you will find something like this. All you have to do just input your domain name. In this case I'm gonna input my domain. Just input the domain name without any HTTPS or HTTP, just the domain name. You can see just the domain name without any HTTP and HTTPS. You can ask me what is the difference between domain or URL prefix. URL prefix is just for a specific URL, so don't worry about this. Just click continue. Then they will give you a code. All you have to do is just copy that code and go to your domain cPanel. If you buy a cPanel from any site like Googole or from anywhere, they will give you a cPanel. Now I am going to log into my cPanel. All the cPanel is pretty much similar. Now you have to find the domain section. Now choose the domain that you want to add on Google Search Console. I am gonna add this domain. Now click on manage. Now scroll below and click on modify the zones. Now click on add records. Now you have to input that code. Now input your domain name. From here click text and now paste the text you have copied from here. Okay, paste it here and finally click on add record. Let's go to the final section and click on verify. It can take sometimes up to 24 hours. Then finally you will get your successful message. So thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.